Okay. My personal assistant this morning.
Hello, Philippines.
Hello, people. We are now again. No. Okay, nasa Alinsad. Alinsad. Ano ba? Alisan. Alisan. There. Alisan.
Dominga, Allison.
Okay, we are at Alice. Live tayo, my dear. This is beautiful Andrea. Hi.
How are you? Welcome
Do you want to say?
Allison, Norway.
Oh, yes. That's the correct pronunciation. Alinsod kago kanina.
Allison.
Allison, Norway. So, we're doing the hop on, hop off.
Bus is around the corner to the left. The first bus is up here.
Okay, arigato.
Last tour. Alas 3. Last tour pa, yung bus alis ng alas 3, yun yung last.
Eko, if we miss, what gonna happen? Maiwan na kami doon.
Asan ka kabayan?
Andiyan
na daw. Saya si kabayan.
Hi, magulo.
Enjoy pa kayo. Red flag po.
So did you get your discount? Oh, that's good. Yeah, they are nice.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye.
Where you going now?
We're coming with you.
Where, did you say bye-bye to who? Did you say bye-bye to who? Hi! Okay, photo daw, Pogi. O, sila from the NCL. Magpo-photo. O, yan ang ibang group. Kami ay watak-watak na group. Hi! I never seen these two for ages.
Hi. Feeling good today.
Oh, that's
Better. Yeah.
better.
Feeling better than yesterday.
Okay, we'll say when we coming back, what's he gonna say?
Okay.
Alisan pala. Alisan. Okay. Alisnan. Ano ba yan? Alisnan. Okay, Alisan. Norway. Oh, ito na yung aming bus. Ha?
Picture muna tayo kaya kasi kompleto.
Ito na. Dito? Eh, naka-unlock na. Member of the tour. We're going for a sightseeing. Oh, yung ganda niya. Oh, yeah.
There should be 14 there, and then there's 2 there.
Here, there's two here. Maybe you just put...
Tini-check ang mga ticket. Bakit yan parang nagamit na. Binibigyan kami ng ng this one. Ba't nasa baba si Lingleng? Hindi ka makalakad?
Hindi naman. Kaya lang wala dito.
Okay. Naglalay ka ba? Okay. Oh, yan. Nasa taas kami lahat ng double decker. Okay, we're off to our next destination. Okay, let me show you the area. Ayan yung ship namin. Hold on. Okay. That is our ship. The Norwegian Prima. It's a beautiful day. Right? We're so lucky. It's sunny. Yeah. Okay, this one you can scan that if you coming to Alisand or Norway or anywhere in the world. Yeah, you can book sightseeing. Okay. Pwede bang i-post ang live? Who knows? Ha?
Habang nagla-live ka, nakapost siya.
Tapos na yan.
No, I want to post it so we will not continue. Post. No. I mean, yeah. Hindi, post ko lang tapos i-continue ko ulit. Ah. Hi David. How do you like Norway? You good? You enjoying so far? Rice. I know, right? We're so fortunate. Okay. I think it's going to be for a while. Dapat i-retrap nila itong kwan. Detrack ba yan? Itong sa bubong.
City sightseeing. So, ano?
Okay, nasa bus kami.
What's the password?
May password siyang hinihingi eh.
Visit Oslo.
Ay, salamat.
Thank you, Ate Banji.
You're welcome. Okay, let's go.
Hindi siya.
Hindi, correct password.
Okay, that's where we're going.
Download Norwegian Post.
There. He's checking what are we doing. Come on, let's go. Oh.
Maybe we can ask them.
Ang mga yan ang connect ng connect. Alam nila yan. Dominga. Yeah, alam mo.
Ano, ayun o. Pero hindi ko alam.
Oh. Visit Oslo.
Wala.
Paano nilagay doon? Wala. Hay nako. Okay. I think that's it for now. I will live again pag nandun kami sa baba. Bye. Thank you.